Hey everyone, and welcome back. Last time you recorded your first video in Ecamm. Nice job. But now I want to take that video and really make it look like it's yours. Notice how each of these creators add small branding touches to their name, their logo, or their social handle. So today's tip is going to be adding your first overlay. So you're gonna head on over to your overlays panel and add just one element. We want you to come to life on video. We want you to stand out. We want your brand to pop, and Ecamm can help you do that. You've got your first camera scene and now you want to add in an overlay. So go over to your overlays panel. If you can't find it, if you closed it accidentally, you can bring it back by clicking right here. All right, it's this T with a picture sign here, show overlays. And what we're gonna add today is just simply a text. So I'll add in my name. So if I go down here and click on this little T here, it's gonna bring up an add text overlay. I'm gonna write Jill Roberts because that's my name. Just like any other software, you can change the font, you can bring in your own fonts that you like, and you can change the colors. Let's change this text color. This is our branding color here. And you know what? I want to have a background. So I click edit background. Let's do a color background. Let's make it black and bring down the opacity a little bit. And we can add a border too. Let's add in a border, a white border. Now I want to add a little bit of text margin here. All right, that feels good to me. You click add, it's going to drop it somewhere on your screen, and now you can reposition this anywhere that you want. Just like that, you added an overlay. Here's a bonus tip. You can also show and hide any overlays in the overlay panel, as well as add shadows and transitions. So check out how easy it is to just double click or click on that pencil option and then add in different effects. And then in the overlays panel, you can show and hide anything you want, anytime you want. So that's it for today. Obviously, you should continue to play around and add in more elements, but you've accomplished the goal for this video. And in the next video, we're going to build out your scenes so that you can structure your content like a real show, keeping everything nice and smooth and easy and amazing, just like you. All right, I'll see you in the next video.